Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a common problem that can save you hours of frustration. How to restore a Google Doc in 2025. Whether you accidentally deleted your file or it's an older version you need, Google has made this process straightforward and user-friendly. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at recovering your documents. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up Google Drive by going to drive.google.com or using the app on your device. This is your central hub for all Google Docs. Once you're in, look for the Trash folder on the left-hand side menu. It's like a safety net for deleted files. If your document is there, simply click on it, and you'll see a Restore option at the top. Hit that button, and voila! Your file is back in its original spot. But what if it's not in the trash? Don't panic. There's another way. Head over to the specific Google Doc you were working on. Click on File in the top menu, then select Version History, and see Version History. This feature keeps track of all changes made to your document. You'll see a list of previous versions with timestamps. Browse through them, select the one you want, and click Restore this version. It's that simple. A quick tip. To prevent future mishaps, enable automatic backups in your Google Drive settings. Also, if you're collaborating on docs, make sure everyone knows about version history to avoid overwriting important work. Remember, Google Docs autosaves frequently, so most of your content should be recoverable. There you have it. Restoring a Google Doc is easier than you think. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.